What's up, y'all? And welcome to yet another video on how to make bread catfishing. Today, I will focus on Discord, how to set an account, and how to find Discord creeps. I would like to start by saying that this is my personal favorite method, and it is the one that has made me the most money out of the others I've already shown you, since the people that use Discord have a lot of free time to chat. They are easier to fool, and they are overall the easiest victims. But let's start now. First of all, you will need to create an account and a username. For that, just think of something like everybody loves X, your fave X, or they know X, so it won't sound strange since those type of names are very popular. Now for a profile pic. For that, it depends on what type of person you want to be. I personally recommend one with anime characters or something pink and aesthetic, as it is the best one. Now you may ask, where do I find Discord creeps? For that, you can go around TikTok looking for Discord servers where there are people wanting to chat about animes or a TV series/film. But I warn you that you have to pay to get the link to get in most of them. That's why in my Discord server, you can get 16 links for the best Discord servers and the 21 best sites to catfish in for only $5. Just join the Discord in the description if you're interested. Now for the last step, if you want to get people to DM you after you've introduced yourself in the main chat, you will need a credible account description. Just use some emojis that match your profile pic and some obvious question like, "Hey, how are you?" or "How is it going?" Then write something along the lines of, "My DMs are open, DM me." And the hard work is done. Now just chat in the main chat for a little and watch the friends requests flood in. For the chatting in private, just build a character around a fake personality that goes along your profile pic and your aesthetic. And there you have it. Another complete video on how to catfish. As always, I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any question about the video or anything else, just join the Discord to chat directly with me. See you in the next one.